We're going to make a super tasty black bean mushroom burger with a scratch-made vegan chipotle mayo. You'll start by preparing your mushrooms, green onions, and garlic. Saute the mushrooms in a medium-high heat cast iron skillet with your smoked paprika, cumin, chili powder, salt, and pepper. Add your green onions and cook for another minute, then add your garlic and stir in for 30 seconds. Grab a food processor and add your black beans along with the sauteed mushrooms and lime juice. Pulse together a couple times. Add your bread pieces and continue to pulse until well combined. Place the mixture in a bowl, add your pecans, then mix in, and then pop that in the fridge to set up. For the chipotle mayo, add your garlic, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, salt and pepper, and aquafaba to a blender. Turn up to a high speed for 15 seconds, then reduce to medium. Drizzle in your oil slowly until it emulsifies into a mayo. Remove into a bowl and mix in your diced chipotles, maple syrup, and lime juice. Prepare the toppings by thinly slicing your tomato, jalapeno, and avocado, then toast your burger buns on both sides. Grab your burgers out of the fridge, form into patties, season with salt and pepper, and pop into the pan. Sear on the first side for 3 minutes, flip the patty, add some vegan butter, and then continue to sear for another 3 minutes. The surface of the burger should develop a crispy texture. Okay, I'm starving, let's put this burger together. Add some mayo to the bottom bun, then add your burger, more mayo, tomato, avocado, jalapeno, and cilantro. Add more mayo to finish, and pop your top on. Slice in half, and here it is! This burger packs a serious punch of flavor in all the right ways. It's perfect for a weeknight dinner, and even better shared with friends. You can never go wrong with this burger.